Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to break down one of the most important concepts in programming, object-oriented programming, or OOP. Whether you're new to coding or just need a refresher, this video will cover the 4 fundamental concepts of OOP that every developer should know. Let's dive in. So, what is object-oriented programming? Simply put, OOP is a programming paradigm that revolves around objects, real-world entities like a car, a person, or even a bank account. In OOP, we model these entities using classes and objects. A class is like a blueprint for creating objects. An object is an instance of a class. For example, imagine a car class. Every car object we create from that class will have properties like color, model, and speed, as well as behaviors like starting the engine or braking. The first key concept of OOP is encapsulation. Encapsulation is all about bundling data, like variables, and methods, functions, that operate on the data into a single unit, known as a class. It also helps us protect the data from outside interference by using access modifiers like private, public, and protected. For example, you can declare variables like speed and color in your car class as private. This ensures that no one outside the class can directly change these values, protecting the integrity of the object. Here, speed is private, but we have a public method accelerate to change it. This allows controlled access to the variable, ensuring the object behaves in predictable ways. Next, we have inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit the properties and methods of another class. This helps with code reuse and creating a clear hierarchy between classes. For instance, if you have a vehicle class, you can create a car class that inherits from vehicle. This means the car class will automatically have the properties and methods of vehicle, but you can also add specific properties unique to car. As you can see, the car class inherits the start engine method from vehicle but has its own honk method. This keeps your code cleaner and easier to manage. Now let's talk about polymorphism. It's a fancy term, but it just means that objects can take many forms. In OOP, this is often implemented through method overloading and method overriding. Method overloading allows multiple methods with the same name but different parameters. Method overriding allows a subclass to provide a specific implementation of a method already defined in its parent class. Let's look at an example of method overriding. If we have a vehicle class with a start engine method, we can override it in the car class to provide a different behavior. Here, the start engine method in car overrides the one in vehicle, providing a more specific implementation for car objects. The last key concept is abstraction. Abstraction is all about hiding the complexity of an object and showing only the necessary details. In OOP, we can achieve this using abstract classes and interfaces. For example, an abstract class can have abstract methods that don't have a body, which means the child classes need to provide the implementation. In this example, the animal class is abstract, and it has an abstract method make sound. The dog class inherits from animal and provides a specific implementation for make sound. So to summarize, OOP is built on 4 fundamental principles: encapsulation, hiding data and providing controlled access; inheritance, allowing one class to inherit from another; polymorphism, enabling objects to take different forms; abstraction, hiding the complexity and showing only the essential details. By mastering these concepts, you'll have a strong foundation to write cleaner, more efficient, and scalable code. That's it for today's video. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more programming tutorials.